Now, as you can see, down that end of the block, it's bedlam. There's tradesmen everywhere, and in classic Harry project management style, there is no one. No one in House One's front garden. It's not even cleaned up. There's still a drop saw there from yesterday. There's stuff all over the ground. Everybody else is cleaned up and cleaning up. I don't know where they are. I don't know where their tradesmen are. There's not even a landscape gardener, designer, anybody here. Harry! Where is he? Harry!
Hello, Scotty.
Hello, mate.
How are you?
How are you? Now, oh, Tash, hello.
Hello.
I'm just looking down there, and there's people everywhere. Tradesmen, landscapers, everything. Where, you haven't even cleaned up yet. Where is everybody?
We don't want to pay public holiday rates because we need to save our dollars.
So you're going to clean all this up today and have it all smicko, and then the landscapers are coming tomorrow?
Yep.
Yes, they are.
After hallway week being so big, plus fixing a bathroom, we're in the red already this week.
Yeah.
So this is a purposeful situation today. It's not that you haven't planned to have someone here. You've planned not to have someone here.
Correct. We need to save the dollars.
Yeah, good on you. OK.
Yeah.
We have got the biggest garden, I think, across all the houses. It's massive.
Well, looking at House One, I think they're about a day behind everyone else. Now, this week was huge, and to waste yesterday, which they did, was just a big mistake, and I can't see them finishing. So when are you going to start doing the facades?
We're getting ready to do the facades now. We're getting all the trimming, and Dean is running the team to do the facades. So you'll start seeing it going up.
How long do you think it's going to take to do the facade? There's literally a week's work there for about 4 to 6 guys.
You've got chippies digging.
Yeah, I know.
You can't, that's...
They're apprentices, so...
Yeah, but they should be helping with all the cladding.
There's another two doing that around the corner now.
Normally you'd have landscapers work on the landscape and then carpenters work on the house.
Everyone's got 5 or 6 landscapers at the moment.
And Harry has a team of landscapers. His name is Ivan. Ivan wasn't here yesterday, but better late than never.
Look, Keith is always coming over and always stirring me up and saying, you need more manpower, you need more manpower. I say, well, OK. Go away, leave us alone, and let us get the job done.
Not even the materials are ordered. They had a day off yesterday. Surely you would have got all your list done of all the materials you need for here today by midday. That didn't happen, so now they're going to be further behind.
Mate, they are so far behind, it's ridiculous. They've got the biggest yard by far, but it's Tuesday. If they're not pouring until tomorrow, mate, they are way behind.
So Dave Franklin has offered to order some concrete for them so they can at least start pouring footings.
I'm just trying to help you guys, because if you can get it in tonight, mate, you've got...
It's a waste of concrete if it's not going in, is it? If you can get the extra
well,
one.
I'll get the extra one for you. I'm just saying, like, even if that's done, you've started. Yeah.
So Dave Franklin come up and said, look, we're going to order one last bit of concrete. Do you guys want to order something? You can at least start, get part of your footings done, and then worry about the rest later. And I thought that was a good idea.
They've got a great design, that's no problem. Great designs look crap if you can't attack it right. So, and they're not attacking it right.
You're helping out the opposition, mate.
Mate, you've got to help them, but they've got loads to do compared to us. So, mate,
Are you feeling sorry for them?
I am, definitely am, mate. I'm just saying, for me, even if they can get this started, you know yourself, if they can get that poured, they've still got this and that to go, so don't worry about that. They'll be asking for another hand tomorrow night.
But he convinced us to, you know, shoulder to shoulder on and try and get it done. And I think that's when it got everyone really thinking and focused.
Mayhem.
Was it a rush?
All I heard was screaming. I was inside and I just hear yelling.
Nice. Good work, lads. Come on, Harry.
Almost took a spill. But, oh, geez, I saved it.
Come on.
You didn't see, did you?
I did see it.
And so did we, Harry. But you weren't the only one.
Harry's spilling stuff everywhere, so I'm just worried right now on how much concrete's actually left in the concrete truck.
Sounding very empty, that truck.
Yeah, two and a half cubes in there, so I only wanted 18, 1.8.
OK, guys, no more power tools, that's it.
So after a mad scramble to get the concrete steps and footings in, old Harry has a chance to reflect.
Hopefully you learn from today
No, well,
for the rest of the week.
well,
Get some labourers in to help.
Do you agree with that?
look, I 100% agree with it. I do. It's been overwhelming. I didn't realise how much work it was. But you know what? The guys have stepped up, and you know we've done it. So great effort.
Harry's reflections on the day are taking almost as long as pouring his concrete.
They got it wrong. It's not hallway week. It's not the biggest week. It's landscape and cladding week is the biggest week.